my name's Setchell. I work at Nullum House drop-in centre plus the main community centre. Nullum House is for people that are homeless. It's for people with drug and alcohol addictions, and sometimes people that are doing it tough in the community, for a place to come in for inclusion, sit down, have a cup of coffee and mingle with other people. I've actually been working at Nullum House, I'll say, for 14 years, and it just seems like yesterday sometimes. And every day is a different challenge. Well, we do meals three times a week. So we do a lunch, we do breakfast. If they want to sit in the aircon, if they want blankets, we supply their washing powders, we supply their shampoos, conditioners, soaps for their showers. Most of our stuff is donated, and I think some of these bigger organisations could, step up and help out, to a good cause like this at Nullum. I'm very humbled and appreciate the nomination. It's like I say, I'm a bit of a quiet achiever. I think it was a group effort up there that did the nomination, so yeah, it was a real nice feeling.